It's your girl Dior, and I am back with another video. Like, I just been trying to get rid of clothes that I just don't wear. Like, I have a lot of clothes that I just hoarded over these years that I just simply don't wear. And most of this is like my homecoming dresses and my prom dresses that are in here. To Plato's Closet later on today. You guys are gonna come with me as well to see how much they would give me. I have class. If you guys didn't know, I'm like a nursing major, but I'm not in the nursing program just yet. I'm still taking my prereqs, but I have microbiology at 12 today, so it's 11:04 right now. I wanted to stop and get some coffee from Dunkin'. I already showered. Today's fit my Papa's sweater. This is a sweater, but I'm wearing it as like a shrug. I don't like this part in the back, but I'm gonna have my book bag on so nobody's gonna see that. And then I have like this. This is actually inside out, but I don't feel like taking this off and redoing it. I'm either gonna do my Uggs, which I've never worn these yet, so I kind of want to wear these today because it's kind of cold. It's a little chilly today. Or Converse. I'm trying to think. Should we wear the slippers? Should we wear the Converse? I feel like the Converse would look better, but I also want to break these in, and I'm just like in a comfy mood today, so I'm gonna wear these slippers. I wanted to go do some grocery shopping today. I even wrote out a list. This is my grocery list. Oops, you guys cannot see that. I don't know if you guys can see that, but that's my grocery list. And then I like meal prepped, or done like a meal prep list for breakfast, for lunch, and for dinner. And I don't know if we're gonna do that today though. But I also forgot I gotta stop and get gas, so I have to leave out now because it's 11:09. I want to still get coffee before, and I need to get gas, so I have to leave out my house right now. I'm wearing today's fragrance. I've like recently been loving Brazilian 71 Sol Janeiro with Alien. Mixing these together, oh my goodness, it smells so freaking good. So that's what I am wearing today. I'm just gonna pair this. Been like a long time no talk, you guys. Long time no talk. I was thinking I was gonna try and turn this into like a monthly reset for like October, but I don't know. I've never done a reset, but that's what I want to do. I want to do like reset routines and, you know, this cute stuff. Let me hurry up and get ready, and then I will talk to you guys in the car because obviously I cannot walk and chew gum at the same time. Hi, I wanted to get your medium coffee, please, with a donut. Is that okay? Yes, that is. Thank you. Thank you. You too. Just gas. Should have left out the house earlier. That's what I get. Because I always procrastinate and I always wait till the last minute to do things. Story of my life. Just gonna fill her all the way up. Might as well since we're here. Okay. And I'm back. I just got out of class. I actually went by super quick today. It was only like 2 hours lecture and lab, and now I'm gonna go to Plato's Closet and see, you know, if they'll give me some money for my clothes. It's $2.19. Yeah, I feel like that's where I should go right now. And then I need to desperately clean my car because it's so nasty. Like, clothes all back there. Oh wait, no, I'm taking that to Plato's Closet. But the other stuff, like trash, it's just nasty. It's just gross. It's disgusting. and I feel dehydrated. I need some Vaseline for my lips, but that's besides the point. I'm actually kind of feeling a little tired, but I'm not gonna go take a nap. I need to get stuff done today. Okay, you guys, I am here at Plato's Closet. I don't know if you guys can see it back there. I don't know if you can see it. There we go. Yeah, so I'm at Plato's Closet. I turned my bags of clothes in, and I feel like it's kind of emotional because first off, it's gonna take like 20-25 minutes, so I just came back to my car because I don't need to buy any more clothes right now. Like, I'm trying to get rid of stuff so I can make room for new stuff. But it's kind of emotional because I'm like emotionally tied to each article of clothing. Like, I don't wear this stuff, but it's so hard to let it go because I'm like so sentimental that each clothing item that I own is like, oh, I remember when I wore this here, or oh, I remember when I wore this to prom, which was like 5 years ago. So it just feels good, kind of bittersweet to like just let stuff go. Just let it go. It's somebody else's turn to enjoy that article of clothing. Like, it's time for that article of clothing to make new memories with somebody else. So I don't know if I'm the only one that is like that with my clothes. I don't know why. I don't know why. I'm like that with my hair too. Like, I feel like I kind of grown out of that, but I was like, I did not want my split ends cut. I did not want my hair cut because I was so emotionally tied to my hair that it was like unhealthy. But now I'm not like that. If my hair is that, like, cut it off. Like, if you gotta chop it off. It's not that big of a deal. It'll grow back. But yeah, no, I just need to get rid of stuff, like stuff that I don't wear anymore, stuff that I'm not using anymore. It's just taking up space, and it's just time to let it go. Let it go so you can have new blessings. Let it go so you can welcome in the new. So that's what I'm doing. I'm so excited that I finally did it because it takes me forever to like let stuff go. And that's like with everything. And I'm saying like to say like let it go, let go of the past, let it go. If you're holding on to something, holding on to a grudge, holding on to old clothes, holding on to anything that's no longer serving you, like let it go. I promise you'll be happier, you'll feel lighter, and you can welcome in the new blessings. So I don't know, I feel like that was deeper than clothes for me. But yeah, so basically I just dropped off my clothes and I'm waiting. So that was like really what I wanted to do today. And I checked off one thing off my list. I also want to go to the gym, like I said, but that won't be till later. I'll probably do like a late night gym session. The gym that I go to now doesn't close till like 10. Whereas I used to go to Planet Fitness, like y'all saw, and Planet Fitness was open 24/7. But that's okay. I really don't need to be out that late anyways, you know, especially since it's getting darker quicker. We'll get back on camera and show you how much they gave me, if they gave me anything. Y'all, I'm kind of upset. They gave me $33 for like 9 items, and I low-key, high-key feel like they kind of ripped me off. I don't know, I feel like I got ripped off, but it is what it is. Whatever, it's done, it's done, it's done. It's done with. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do now. I definitely need to get my car cleaned. Hey, that's a car wash right there. But I definitely need to get my car washed. I need to do some other stuff, but I will talk to you guys when I figure out what I'm doing. So I'll talk to you guys in a second. I'm looking a bit rough, but my camera just came in the mail, so I'm super duper excited. I've been up. Today is the next day. I went grocery shopping. I didn't get to film that today. I took my grandma to her doctor's appointment, and that was about it. I just got back in the house, and I'm supposed to be going on a date in a little bit. But I'm just, you know, kind of relaxing. I'm actually pretty tired. I could not sleep last night, like literally at all. I had a really hard time sleeping, and like normally I turn on my thunderstorm sounds on so I can go to sleep, and it just did not work. I was tossing and turning, but that's besides the point, y'all. But my package came in the mail. I'm so excited. This is my camera. It's like Amazon or UPS, FedEx. That is the adult ice cream truck. Like, that is the ice cream truck for adults now. I get so excited when I get a package in the mail. I'm so excited. I ordered this like 2 days ago and it just came in the mail today. Girl, I'm so excited. Oh, this is the camera. You guys, I cannot believe at this moment doesn't even feel real to me. The battery charger, it came with like a thing that you can attach to the camera, but I'm so freaking excited. I don't know if I have to charge this up or what, but I'm gonna figure out and play with it, and then we just gonna get straight to vlogging on this one because this camera is about to die anyways. Guys, I'm so freaking happy. I'm so happy. It doesn't even feel real. Okay, you guys, so basically I'm home now. I had a good time. You guys are on the vlog camera. So what did we do? We went to the movies. I'm sorry for my background. I was getting ready and it was like I had no idea what I was going to wear, yada yada. But anywho, I'm back now. It's like 10 and I am honestly so tired. This man bought me my favorite flowers and I'm happy because I normally buy my own flowers, but he bought me flowers and in my favorite color, and I just had a good time. He's such a gentleman. I did not feel myself getting ready or anything because I was just running late like per usual, but I mean it's the same hairstyle that I do, just a wash and go. And then makeup, I did not wear lashes today because I was running late. I did do my nails though, and yeah, I had fun. We went to the movies. We saw Don't Worry Darling. I'm just so tired, so I'm gonna see y'all. I can't even talk. I'm gonna see y'all in the next clip.